What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
ThreeBlindMice back.
We back.
Video. Why don't you let them know what is up?
Well, it is a new video, but new topic? No. We will be doing the burp challenge again.
Part 2.
Diet Pepsi.
Yep.
Bringing back the Diet Pepsi.
That's our most successful video, so we said why not bring it back?
Why not?
But this time, I don't think there's going to be no punishment. I think we're just going to do it for fun.
No punishment. But this time, we're going to have to chug it. Last time, we were just taking some sips.
Some little baby sips.
But we're going to have to chug it.
Yeah.
So we got our Pepsi. Got the Pepsi. We're not sponsored by Pepsi. Who are you kidding? So
we wouldn't mind it though.
No, we wouldn't mind it. So you probably noticed this right here.
Check out the new shirts, guys.
New shirts.
Yep. They're gonna be making a lot more.
They're looking good. We have many made, many ready for sale. So 20 bucks each.
Yep. And if you want one, just email us. Email. It's always down
in the description.
Always down there. And we're gonna be doing a giveaway soon.
Yep, giveaway.
Yeah. And if you wanna, the way you win this is when it happens, you just comment down in the comment section or go to our Instagram comments on some of our photos.
Yep.
And we will choose 3 people there in the comment section, and you win. And then we'll email you.
So we're gonna start the giveaways once we have 500 subs. Okay. 500 subs, we'll do the giveaway.
Good. Yeah.
Or if we get 100 likes on this video, 100 likes, that's the giveaway right there.
Speaking of subs, I need to point something out here.
He needs to point it out.
What's going on, YouTube? We had 200 subs, and
we had 265.
Yeah, and we lost 200. Like, what's that? We don't know what that's all about.
They just disappeared.
YouTube either wiped out our subs, or like just 200 people at the exact same time just had to unsub.
It happened in like a matter of an hour.
It was ridiculous. So
yeah, but we're getting lots of views, lots of likes, and
just keep it up.
Tell your friends.
Yeah,
because
we'll come with some more content soon.
Yeah, and comment below because we have no clue what to do next.
No, we have no idea.
We have some other videos already recorded, but when will we post them?
Who knows?
Not sure. Sometime this week. So let's get on with the challenge.
Let's do this.
What's up, YouTube? We're back. So we're gonna start chugging this, and just got the single bottle. This might, like, we just dropped this earlier, so this might.
Yeah.
Oh. No, we're good.
Didn't grease us.
We're good. And the loser of this video may do whatever the comments say. So if you have an idea that's good and safe.
Yeah, I lied when I said there's no punishment. Yeah. There's no punishment now. Later on, whatever you guys want the loser to do.
But it can't be...
Nothing that will kill us. Come on, let's be serious.
We don't want to die. You guys need our videos, and we need your views.
Yeah, exactly. We can help each other out.
So
let's get to this.
Let's get it.
There it is. Oh. That's funny.
Well, at least there's nothing on the steak here on the line.
No. Well, not at the moment.
Well, not at the moment, but. Last time I didn't want those peppers. That was pretty gross.
It wasn't that. I don't know. It wasn't too bad for me.
And if anybody has any like ideas for shirts or sweaters or anything
you want, like
email it to us.
Yep. Any logo designs or whatever.
Yep.
If we got some like very artsy, cool, like talented viewer out there.
Yeah, we're looking at you.
Yeah.
We're looking at you right there.
Yeah, right there.
Look, right there. We're looking at you.
He's right.
You're hiding on your phone right now, but we're looking at you.
Yeah.
On your computer, on your iPad, we're looking at you. Okay, so...
Are you ready?
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. It's already so difficult.
That was hard. Oh, well, we seem to have a little bit of you seem to have not chugged that much. It's hard. It's pretty... it's hard to sit still.
Pretty difficult.
Oh, I don't recommend this because it makes my stomach hurt. And I don't want your stomach hurting.
Yeah, he was a little bit hesitant about doing this again because his stomach was killed last time. Just from the pop.
Especially from that pepper. Oh, come on. Oh, I don't want to burp already. This sucks.
Yeah, no,
this sucks.
I feel like it's the burp gets louder the more you hold it in.
Louder?
Yeah, like it's worse.
Well, keep going, keep going. Oh, I hate this so much.
You have the same amount.
I know, but I just, oh, my stomach feels so cold. Did you burp? I heard.
No, that was a squeak.
I heard an internal burp. Oh, my stomach. I recommend you guys try this. I take back what I said. You guys need to try this. You need to feel.
We'd like to see you suffer too. Just kidding. Don't take that seriously.
I love you guys. This is really hard.
I know.
I don't know if I can do this much longer.
So jacked up. Oh.
Okay, ready? I hate Pepsi. We should be doing this with like water or something. Were you gonna burp it?
We got a little left. I will not lose you. I will not lose. I'll be a 2-time champion.
Ugh.
Empty. It's so funny. In the last burp challenge that we did, like before I burped, I like fell asleep and channeled the burp, and it just like
channeled the burp.
It was ridiculously
so
disgusting.
I don't know how much more I can do. How much more can you do?
I don't think any.
I hate Pepsi. Did your stomach hurt so bad? Mine hurts so bad.
Yeah. I just got second wind.
Hey, we're almost finished this whole thing.
That's gross. I hate Diet Pop so much. 0 calories. 0 calories.
So, yeah. What was that?
No, that was when you going.
Jeez Louise.
It's actually a lot.
I'm gonna grow a third friggin' head.
There's not much to talk about. What are you guys doing later? You come here often?
Come here often. We need some more subs. Tell your friends.
Tell your friends.
We lost 200.
Yeah, I know.
We need to find
We need to gain 200 again.
Oh my good lord. It hurts.
Oh, I'm just about to burp too. Oh, thank God.
That hurt. Oh my gosh. What the heck was that? It always sounds like there's a demon coming out of me.
Oh, dude. It feels like gosh. Oh, it was so bad.
You guys probably skipped ahead the whole video to this part, so we hope you enjoyed the burp. Should we keep going and just...
Let's just let out a bunch of burps now.
I don't know if they want to see the
Let's
burps.
have a burptage.
A burptage? This is for all you people that have burp fetishes out there. I'm not sure this is too healthy. No?
So this is probably our most disgusting video we've ever made.
Ooh, we're sorry to all you guys out there. Not the ones that like burp fetishes though.
Yeah, that's weird. You guys are weird. Some of you. I have to sit this way out so my stomach doesn't hurt. I have super cramps in my stomach.
You have your man period. Okay, so
that's it, I guess. Honestly, there's not much more to do.
That's it.
We almost polished off a full bottle of it.
Yeah.
There's only that much left.
You probably see the reflection.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching part 2 to the No Burp Pepsi challenge.
Thanks.
Thanks for
100 likes, and we'll do giveaway 3 of these sick shirts.
Yeah.
Coming out with sweaters soon if you guys like it. $20 a piece. Get a hold of us. We'll ship them all across the world. We're talking to you, Russia. Mother Russia. We're talking to you, Czech Republic. we're talking to you,
Romania, Ireland, and friggin'
North Korea.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it.
That's it.
Peace out,
guys.
And I'm feeling